Hey folks, Logan here, and today I want to show you my dog door along with the steps that are going down, just to show you how I put it in to help with some design ideas for you. Now right here you can see the dog door that we installed. This installation took about an hour to cut those brackets and make a little frame down there for it. Next, let's just step outside and take a look at those steps that you can just see right there. Okay, so out here we can see I took a piece of 2x3 piece of board, just regular plywood. Got some of those steps from your local hardware home improvement store, and just mounted some steps, and then I painted it with some outside paint. Now you can notice right here that I actually put some of those non-skid strips down there to make it so that when our dog walks down, he doesn't slip. And it seems to be working out pretty well for him. Tucker, come on. Come on outside, bud. Let's just watch him come on through. Come on, Tuck. So there he comes. Come on, bud. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps with some design ideas as you put your dog door and your screened-in porch, and just an idea on how to do some steps.